Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if we go back in time 9 years ago, July 29th of 2015, we had, of course, with the introduction of Windows 10, a new feature that Windows didn't have before, and it was the Cortana Assistant. This was controversial for some people. A lot of people didn't like the fact that it was on the PC from the start. One of the things a lot of tech enthusiasts particularly wanted, well, let me download it and install it if I wanted, but I don't like the fact that it's there. Of course, comes also with the fact that if you have an assistant, means it could be listening to your microphone and so on. Cortana appeared because we were in a time when, of course, smartphones had assistants. We were getting all the assistants that we're starting now with Amazon Alexa, and with, of course, Google's own assistant, and Siri on the iPhone. Everybody wanted to have an assistant somewhere, and Cortana was the answer of Microsoft for an assistant in Windows. I personally used it the first few months. I thought it was kind of cool that I could ask things, ask about the weather and so on. It was, for me, it was kind of nice. New operating system, giving you new features, but not everybody wanted this, and a lot of people didn't use it. In fact, probably most people never used it. And Cortana, of course, continued for a while. They were giving it new possibilities. They were actually upgrading it to do a lot more. Open your apps, do what you want. It was really, really something they were working hard to try to have working. But then it kind of was, left behind a little bit. It was there on your PC. It did what it did. It didn't get new updates, new features. And with, of course, the fact that when Windows 11 arrived 3 years ago, they probably started working, especially in the last year, with the famous Copilot assistant. What happened finally is that Cortana was deprecated, and eventually it was just not working anymore. So this is now what you get in Windows 10. Cortana's Windows, and Windows as a standalone app is deprecated. Of course, because they want you to use the famous Copilot now. That, personally, I find Copilot falls short even of Cortana. Cortana was given a lot of new things and new features and functionalities. You could do things with Cortana that you can't with Copilot. Of course, it's a different thing. Cortana, of course, did not have the capabilities to, analyze a text or create a picture of something that you wanted. This is purely Copilot artificial intelligence that does that. So it's a different thing somewhat, but still, I think Cortana did more than what Copilot is capable of on your PC today, especially in controlling your PC and doing things and opening apps for you. So, bye-bye Cortana, and today Copilot's taken the place. Windows 11's Copilot is eventually going to be updated to, I hope, something better. And we will move on to new AI stuff now with Windows 11. But I thought it was refreshing to have something like that on Windows. Did we need an assistant on Windows? I don't know. But the idea was there, and I think Microsoft in 2015 was great at innovation, doing new things, trying new things. And the innovation today, of course, a lot of it is pushed to AI, but it lost something on the way. I don't know. Creativity isn't there, maybe. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.